What's up, everybody? It's Paul Riley here, and we're about to keep it real. What we got set up today is that we're going to try to catch one of the incredible spikies. Yeah, you guys have seen these before. I've shot one like this. I shot it at a 2x6. It blew through the 2x6. I shot it at a tactical ballistic helmet, and I believe the stainless steel rod exploded on impact somewhere through the transition between the helmet into the 2x6, and it exploded into a bunch of pieces. So we've got two more of them here today. We want to thank our supplier for that. Good looking out, Tony. We appreciate you. We got two of them today. We've got the stainless steel spike, and then we've got the carbon fiber, the G10 carbon fiber spike today. And what we're going to do today is we're going to test this carbon fiber one out. I don't have enough 2 liters to do both of them today, so we're going to try out this carbon fiber one, and I want to see if I can catch it. And this is what we're going to be shooting at. We've got a pair of 2 liters, drywall, 3 2 liters, drywall, pair of 2 liters, drywall, two more 2 liters, and ending in the 2x6. But I'm hoping that the drywall in between the 2 liters will slow the shot down enough to where we can catch the spike, the carbon fiber spike, somewhere, either in the drywall or in a 2 liter, provided it don't skew out the side somewhere. I've got 2 extra cameras set up today, so we're going to try to catch this and do some slow-mo action on it. Hopefully it turns out real cool. So I'm going to take the advice of some of the people that have left comments, and I'm just going to shut up and shoot now. How's that sound? All right, before I take this shot, I just want to take a moment to remind everybody to hit the like and subscribe button. We can't grow without subscriptions. That's the only way it's going to work. If you like the content, awesome. If not, send me suggestions of what do you think that would be better. What do you think that would fit my personality just a little bit better than going pew and doing video in my therapy out here. All right, so here's the game plan. We're going to shoot this carbon fiber self-defense Sharpie into this. We want to catch the spike. Hopefully it doesn't make it all the way to the board. If it makes it all the way to the board, pretty certain that this is going to explode on impact. But let's see if we can at least get a really fun shot out of it. I only got one shot. I only got enough stuff to do this one time. Sad, I know. Let's do it. Going hot. Oh yeah. We'll scoot back a little ways, but not too far. Let's cut that out. All right, here we go. Hammer locked back. Sending it. Yeah, boy. Oh shit. Yeah. All right. Let's see here. No holes in these 2 pieces of drywall. These 2 liters are okay. No leak. No leak. Okay. All right. No leak in that one. Did we get through any of them? This one's all right. Well, there's the cork that goes into the end of the Sharpie. So there's the end of the Sharpie. The end that was in the end. There's the end of it. That was taped down into the shotgun shell. I don't know what the heck that is. So there's one dead bottle. There's two. I think we only went through two. I'm not sure what this is. I can only assume that that is what the G10 looks like when it explodes. Yeah. I'm assuming that that is our G10 spike. Because this was all up in the water. That was, that the butt of the pin was in. It's weird because this is all flat. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. That's wild. But the spike, that is interesting. So, oh, here's a piece. Okay, okay, okay. All right. That's exactly what that is. That's the G10. There's the rest of it. So when this thing fired, when it hit, made impact, it just disintegrated. And that is what your G10 looks like before it gets blown up. Huh. That's pretty wild. So the G10 made it through two, but it exploded on impact. We got all these extra 2 liters left. Let's go ahead and take that second shot. We'll put some of this drywall in here and see if we can't slow it down and catch it. And hopefully this one doesn't explode on impact. What do y'all think about that? This is our stainless steel tactical defense spike. Going hot. I'm gonna scoot back a little bit more than I did last time because I don't want to get wet. All right, hammer's back, sending it. Okay, let's see here. Made it through the first piece of drywall. So we definitely busted that 2 liter in half. That one's gone. Busted that one real good. So got through the first 2 liters into the drywall. Here's the third 2 liter. All right, so I wonder where the pin is. Interesting. I have a theory. That second pin was so epic that it traveled through the space-time continuum into another place. He's definitely not in either of those. Well then, stainless steel tactical self-defense pin, cannot capture it today. It got away from me. I don't know how it got away from me. Busted through the first 2 liters into the drywall and then went somewhere else. Now, it looks like it keyholed real good into that drywall. I don't know if it just dropped straight down or shot off to the side. I can't even find the tape. Yep, no pin, no tape. Here, let you guys help me look for it. Yeah, it's looking pretty gone. I got the piece of a ballistic helmet. Yeah, guys, I think it's gone. I think it is gone. Let's have a... No, it never made it into that second piece of drywall. Well, that is peculiar indeed. All right, guys, well, I've shot my shots. You got to see some cool water explosions. Now it's time to take all the video in and do the hard part of it and edit it and make it as suitable as possible. Again, guys, if you like the content, if you want to keep seeing this, you want to be a part of watching the channel grow, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell. Shares are always helpful. Until next time, peace out. Oh, website, www.patriotshit.com. That's how you can support us even though we're not monetized and have no sponsors. Until next time, take care of yourselves.